Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Man Chewing Gum. Today we're going to Titi's house for some pernil.
Benin.
Pernil.
Yes. And what else?
And pasteles.
And?
Arroz con dollas.
No.
Arroz con gandules. Today's episode has been brought to you by Big League Chew. What's in the bottle? Titi, what's in the bottle?
Poquito.
Poquito? Is that like eggnog?
Yes, Puerto Rican
Like you never taste before.
All right, favorite.
Pasteles,
Pasteles.
arroz con gandules,
Arroz con gandules.
with ribs.
With ribs. And this is
Pernil.
Pernil.
Yep.
I said it right.
Yes, you said it right.
And what's the
Pernil,
skin called?
cuero.
Well,
Then I have a tea that I make out of ginger, cloves, cinnamon sticks, anise.
I like
I
it.
let that boil. Ever since, that's what I do.
Gotta get all our gum chewing in now, because we're going home to the gum police. You know who.